Guys, this update will give you free tone. Yes, free tone. I mean it. Free tone. I got this information this morning and I've placed my instant withdrawal. Alright, so immediately you click on the link I'm going to drop in my Telegram group. Join my Telegram group so that I can access the link. Okay, it will take you to this place. Alright, so you click on okay, you just click on that link. It will take you to this place. Okay, guys, just listen. Once you get here, okay, once you click, it will put on start. All right, so this thing will come. Enter your answer. Can you see what is there? Capital Z, T, N, anything can come for you. Just type it, drop it. Okay, it will come off with this tone year live drop. Total pool 10,000 tone. That is huge. If you refer, okay, if you refer, you are going to get 0.24 login. Immediately register, you are going to get this 0.003. Okay, with minimum withdrawal is 0.0003 tone. All right, so let's see what they are asking us to do. Okay, now these are the tasks. You have to complete these tasks, guys. You have to complete these tasks. Okay, look at all these tasks. You have to complete these tasks. All right, so what do they need? Okay, you click to start this bot. Okay, you click also this. Once you click on it, you just press start. Okay, everything will launch. As you are clicking on start, it will launch. Okay, just click and start them. You don't need to do anything much inside that. Just click and start. It is immediately you press on that start, they will know that you have done your task. Make sure you join their channel also. Once you have done this, okay, you click on next step. Okay, you click on next step. All right, so you click on next step, start. Okay, it will come up like this. Okay, sorry, next step. This is the next step. Okay, now listen here, they will tell you what to do here. Enter your tone memo code to prepare for withdrawal. Now, how do you get the tone memo code? Okay, this is how you get it. I will show you how you are going to get this code. That is what you use for your instant withdrawal. Okay, how to get this your own code. I will show you how to get it now, and they show it here also. They gave us the sample here. Okay, if you can follow this, you must have Binance. You must get Binance. Okay, I will also drop Binance link. If you don't have a Binance account, register a Binance account. This is for Binance in cooperation with Binance. Okay, so you are going to enter that tone memo code. Now, how to get one? You have to go to your. Let me just show you how I did my own. You follow the same process I used. Okay, so once you copy your memo code, all right, so you come here. This is it. You type your memo code. This is my memo code. Okay, immediately you type it, they know where to drop your tone. Immediately you drop it, all right, you come here. Okay, it will show you your total users. They will show you the referral link. Okay, if you invite, you have 0.0024, and immediately you register, you have 0.0003. Okay, now after you have done that, okay, you cannot say you want to show. They should show you your balance and place withdrawal. Okay, immediately you have done that, you can easily place your withdrawal. Once you drop your tone memo, okay, they will ask you, are you ready to place withdrawal? Just tell them you want to place your withdrawal, and your withdrawal will drop immediately. All right, immediately. Don't forget the registration link to this free offer. Check the description link. It is inside the Telegram group. Join my Telegram group. You are going to get the link to register from my Telegram group. Okay, so let me just show you how you are going to access your Binance. Okay, so immediately you open your Binance. Okay, this is how your Binance will be. Okay, go to wallet. Let me just show you how you are going to get your code. Go to wallet. Okay, so once you join wallet, all right, you are already in wallet. Just click on deposit. Okay, just click on deposit. All right, so what do we need? We need tone. Just type tone. All right, so once you get to your, okay, just click on deposit, click on tone. You can search for tone. If you don't see tone, click on tone. Sorry, okay, can you see the information here? Both memo and address are required, so we need only the memo. As you can see, the memo, this is the memo and this is the code I need. This is code. Just click on copy here. Once you click on copy, it will show copy successful. So that is what you are going to paste on your Telegram. Okay, when they ask for it, that is what you. So you just place your memo there. Once you place your memo, okay, it you can just select that you want to withdraw. So once you select that you want to withdraw, they will surely send you your withdrawal, okay, fee to you, the address on the memo. They will surely send it to the address on the memo. Alright, so you can just place it here. Once you place your memo, you can just click on show balance. Okay, now once I place it, I can just place show balance. You can withdraw. Okay, let me just show you how to withdraw. Let me show you. Let me show withdrawal. Let me show withdrawal. Okay, let me click on show balance. Once you click on show balance, let's see what will happen. So let me just click on show balance. Okay, once you click on show balance, let's see what happens. Okay, can you see the balance is 0.0144 ton after referring? Okay, so you can get your referral link by clicking referral. You can get the news about them. Payment, as they are paying people, you will see the confirmation. Withdraw, let me just place withdraw. Let me see. Let me click on withdraw. Yeah, show up. I've clicked on withdrawal before, safe. Let me see if the former one will work. Okay, you want to request withdrawal for the year, confirm. Okay, let's see what happens. Okay, can you see your withdrawal request? Okay, this one have been done. Your withdrawal has been sent. 0.0144 ton have been sent. So since you have dropped your memo, it is automatically sent to my address on Binance. Okay, let's confirm the withdrawal. Okay, should I re-click again? Oh, let me re-click. Oh, I'll see. Let me see. Your deposit of 0.1 is currently processing. Can you see it, guys? It's currently processing. That means it will drop to my account immediately. Okay, so that is how it works, guys. Don't forget to get in. The link is on Telegram. You see my Telegram attached to it. Can you see? It has dropped 0.014 ton. If you know what that one was, okay. All right, so guys, register and start and claim your own right now. If you don't have Bybit account, check the link. I've dropped Bybit account there. Verify yourself. Get your name. Make this thing together.